this kind of session, we can learn many different things in a modern ways. This kind of activities to learn in English in a helpful ways. We can learn in English is a effective, modern, and useful way. This kind of learning English to speak in a different dimension. First of all, we can remove our shyness to introduce ourselves, and secondly, I have learned to talk in English fluently and spontaneously in many ways. We can also teach how can we talk with other interrogative ways and answering questions to each and with other each and every other. To continue this session, I will learn in English in a skillful way. To learn this session, we can learn how can we introduce myself. And last, I will thank you for work and ETF to in the entrepreneurship this kind of initiative in the valuable in the areas in student. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you. You are also most welcome. Okay. Give her a big hands. Give Nazifa a big hands.